How's it going? And welcome to this episode where we're gonna be experimenting out a bit. What if Messi and Ronaldo played in the MLS? So, of course, there have been a lot of links that Messi and Ronaldo will probably end their careers at the MLS. So that's why what we're gonna do is we're gonna, as I'm in kickoff, so I'm gonna be randomizing using the button square. So what I'm gonna be doing after that is the team that comes, we're gonna be putting Messi on that. The first team that comes, we're gonna be putting Messi, and the second team that comes, we're gonna be putting Ronaldo, and then we are going to go into the career mode, and we're gonna control Ronaldo. I'm gonna control Ronaldo because while randomizing, the first team that comes is gonna be Messi. So then I'm gonna control Ronaldo. So just to make it fair, and we're gonna see who does better in the MLS. We're gonna compare all the stats and yeah, so now let's get started. And before we get started, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 160 subscribers as of what I'm recording. So yeah, let's get started. And now I think you can see this square button, and we're gonna press square and Orlando. So Messi is going to Orlando City. So Orlando is Messi, and now again randomizing for Ronaldo, and it's Seattle Saunders. Just I actually don't have any clue about Seattle Saunders, but I have clue about Orlando. I think Nani plays there if I'm not wrong. So now we're gonna move to customize. We're gonna edit team sheets, and wait, club transfers. We're gonna move up to, just give me a second. First we'll move to Italy, where's Piemonte Calcio. Piemonte Calcio. Ronaldo going to the USA. Let's USA. Ronaldo MLS. He goes to where is the city? This is the team. Cristiano Ronaldo has moved to the MLS, and now we're gonna go to Spain, where we're gonna find Lionel Messi of FC Barcelona, and he is gonna be moving to the USA as well. Yep, I've just passed USA, and he's gonna move to Orlando. So it's gonna be interesting, to be fair, and let's just see how this shapes up. Not too sure how it is. Orlando gets Lionel Messi, and that's it. Now we're gonna move into the career mode, and I'm gonna be controlling Ronaldo's team. So yeah, let's start it. Here we go, guys. We finally come to Seattle Saunders. So forgive me if I tell the name wrong, because I'm not too much familiar with the MLS. I know the conferences, and Orlando are not in our conference. They are in Eastern Conference, and we are in Western Conference. So let's just see the transfers have been made or not. Is Ronaldo there? Yup, Cristiano Ronaldo is there. I think we're gonna have to switch to a 2-striker formation to accumulate both Ronaldo and this guy Rudiaz, because Rudiaz is 79 rated. So do we have better defenders? We don't. So yup, it is what it is, and this is a team we've got. Have they got a chance? Probably not. And this is a team we built, and let's just now quickly check out whether Lionel Messi's transfer has been made. Ronaldo's transfer has been made. This means Messi's transfer should have been made also. So let's see. Orlando, not this. Orlando City Club. I'm misclicking today a lot. Let's see. Orlando. Yep, there he is, Lionel Messi. And yeah, I like that. Lionel Messi is done. Cristiano Ronaldo is done. And now we're gonna be simming, and we're gonna be seeing how this fares. According to what I know, we have to sim till September. Not September, we have to sim till November. According to what I know, if I'm making a mistake, Forgive me because I'm not too much familiar with this league. So let's see now how Messi and Ronaldo do in the MLS. Let's go. So guys, instead of simming till November, I have simmed till our last game of the season, which I'm gonna sim again. So last game of the season, and we have drawn. So I have legitimately no clue what has happened. So we're gonna see how have we done in the division, and we are in the conference semi-finals. That's good news, and we have topped our Eastern Conference, just 2 losses, 88 points, miles ahead of everyone else. This just gives an indication that Ronaldo had a golden season going to the Eastern Conference, and Lionel Messi's Orlando. So this is getting interesting here. Orlando and Seattle Saunders, they also have a US Open Cup, which Orlando have won. So Messi has had his part of the silverware, and oh my God, Messi, and we lost in the semi-finals to this is now we gotta win this. Okay, we've lost to Messi's Orlando in the semi-finals of the US Open Cup, and we gotta win now. Okay, but before that, let's move on and see Cristiano Ronaldo. He's 90 rated. Oh my God, he must have scored a bag of goals. Come on, 24 goals for Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh my days, he was absolutely firing at all cylinders. And let's look at the player stats. And Ronaldo is at the top. And Lodero, the other striker, is also up there. Let's see how Messi did before we move on to the conference finals. Lionel Messi. Let's look by goals. Messi had the most goals for them. He didn't make those many appearances, but he had the most amount of goals for them. So Messi and Ronaldo leading their teams, scoring the most amount of goals. And now we have a conference semi-final, which is to be decided. And we have a conference semi-final which is yet to be decided. Come on, guys, we can win this. We should win this, and it's been a good competition. Orlando have won the you can say the US Open Cup. We've won, of course, our conference, and they've won the US Open Cup, and they have also won their conference. And now here we are, the conference semi-final versus the Timbers. Orlando are facing Columbus Crew. Is Ronaldo's journey gonna end here? Come on, Chris. This is where it all matters. Conference semi-finals for Ronaldo, and we lose on penalties. Oh my God, we've lost on penalties. Ronaldo scored his penalty as well, and my camera went down. And Ronaldo scoring his penalty, but oh my God, scoring a goal as well, but not enough to take his team. Ronaldo with a man of the match performance, and we bow out and Orlando go through. This means Messi has gone ahead of Cristiano Ronaldo, and it's been, now let's just sim till here to just see now who wins the eventual competition. Messi has beaten Ronaldo in the US Cup, and he's beaten him here also. Don't tell me Messi has gone on to win everything with Orlando. Were Orlando this good? And I think Orlando have won. And Orlando are in the final. They've beaten Philadelphia. Oh my God, I can't pronounce it. And now it's the conference finals, and Cristiano ain't there. Lionel Messi is there. This is so amazing now. If Messi wins this, he's done the double. He's legitimately done the double here. And it's who has won it? Our manager rating has gone down, and Messi doesn't win it. But Messi has a trophy to him in the US Open Cup, reaches the conference finals, doesn't win it. But now I'm gonna count the goals and assists. So now let's count them out. Ronaldo with 25 goals and 3 assists. That's 28 goal contributions in 38 games, which is very good. Then we move to Lionel Messi. What has Messi done? he must have done well. And yeah, 13 goals, 3 assists, 16 goal contribution. Didn't play as many games as Ronaldo. He also got a red card, Lionel Messi, but didn't play as many games as Ronaldo did. But they went on and did really well, Orlando. So it's a tough one. Tell me in the comment section, whom do you think won it? For me, it's probably Ronaldo because for me it's going to be Messi. Sorry, because Messi won the cup, reached the finals, even though Ronaldo scored far many goals. Um, yeah, let's just keep that aside. Let's move on. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of the latest content. And yeah, see you later. Till then, bye bye.